In the heart of the late 19th and early 20th centuries, France was in the midst of a transformative era known as the Belle Époque. This was an age of opulence, innovation, and artistic creativity that captivated the world. The backdrop of this glittering age was the Second French Empire, which had ended in 1870, following the Franco-Prussian War. The Third Republic, born from the ashes of the fallen empire, ushered in a new era of democratic government, industrial growth, and cultural renaissance. Paris, the city of lights, stood as the epicenter of this vibrant age. The city was a symphony of art, literature, and music, where the works of Monet, Renoir, and Degas graced the walls of the Salon, while the operas of Bizet and Debussy filled the air. Yet, amidst the glamour and grandeur, the Belle Époque was not without its crises. The Dreyfus Affair, a bitter scandal that divided the nation, cast a long shadow over the age. Captain Alfred Dreyfus, a Jewish officer in the French army, was wrongfully convicted of treason in 1894, sparking a bitter public debate over anti-Semitism and the integrity of the French government. The case became a rallying cry for reform, as Émile Zola, a renowned writer, took up Dreyfus's cause. In his open letter, J'accuse, Zola accused the military establishment of a cover-up and miscarriage of justice, shaking the foundations of the Belle Époque. The crisis reached its climax in 1899, when Dreyfus was finally pardoned and his conviction was overturned. The Dreyfus Affair served as a catalyst for social change, leading to the abolition of the death penalty, the creation of the High Court of Justice, and the end of anti-Semitic policies in France. The Belle Époque, while marked by its opulence and cultural splendor, was also a time of tumultuous change. The Dreyfus Affair, with its dramatic twists and turns, is a testament to the resilience and passion of the French people, and a reminder of the power of truth to challenge and transform society. In the end, the Belle Époque was not just about ballrooms and bohemians, but also about the struggle for justice, the pursuit of truth, and the indomitable spirit of the human spirit. It was an age that, despite its flaws, left an indelible mark on French history, and continues to captivate history enthusiasts to this day.